To use text-to-speech on Xiaomi 17T Pro, open the settings for the first. Right now, you will have to scroll down and navigate into the accessibility settings, open vision settings, and now open select to speak. This is the text-to-speech feature. Now click on this switcher to turn it on, and before you start using this, you can find here a lot of options that you can customize. For example, read text on the images, read in background, change unique voice, or for example, text-to-speech options. And now if you want to start using this, you will have to click on this icon. Now when your screen is highlighted and covered with this frame, you can select any text by clicking, holding, and then dragging with this specific frame. Now release, and let's do this one more time. There we go. That's how it works. Thanks so much for watching.